Sportsman's Table is brought to you by the South Carolina Department of Agriculture. Whether you live in South Carolina or out of state, be sure to buy South Carolina grown meats, vegetables, and fruits. Make sure your food is South Carolina certified. It's a matter of taste.
Joining me from the City Center Market in Florence, South Carolina, is Chef Doug Smith. Doug is, I tell you what, he is the food guy. And he's got a great recipe for us today right here. Doug, I tell you, I'm excited about this, okay? Heirloom tomatoes. Tell me about what you're going to fix.
City Center Farmers Market has great vegetables, and you start off with a beautiful heirloom tomato. These things are so sweet. I was told by a chef friend of mine years ago, never try to overdo things, let the food shine.
There you go.
And this is one of those examples where the food will absolutely shine. Come in and get these nice, beautiful tomatoes.
Well, tell me about a Caprese salad. What's different than a Cobb salad?
Caprese salad is a traditional Italian salad.
Right.
All fresh ingredients like the fresh tomato, fresh mozzarella I have over here, fresh basil, and it really has all three colors of the Italian flag as part of the story of it there. So you just kind of open that up like this. And, you know, why not throw another color in there? I like a good yellow tomato every now and then as well. So.
Now I know why they call you the food guy.
That's right.
There you go.
Always coming up with new and exciting things to have friends and family over for dinner. And
well, I bet folks love to come to your house for food.
Have people all the time. You have to come over and check it out.
There you go.
We get the grill going.
Oh, right.
Oh, look at that, some fresh mozzarella on top of here. And what makes that even better is fresh, certified South Carolina olive oil.
Oh, man.
This is so good you can drink it right out of the bottle. It's absolutely amazing. Like to throw a little bit of 18-year-old balsamic vinegar on top. And then to finish it off, a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of cracked pepper. And there, my friend, you have a wonderful Caprese salad. Let the food shine.
It does. I'm telling you, heirloom tomatoes. Doug, you are awesome, okay? And I just can't thank you enough for being a guest on the show today. And folks, listen, you want to experience great food in Florence, South Carolina, just like you saw on the recipe today on the Sportsman's Table. I'll tell you what, log on to CertifiedSCGrown.com and see what's fresh on the menu. We'll be right back here again next week on another edition of the Sportsman's Table.
To find out more information on food that's fresher and tastier, go online at CertifiedSCGrown.com. Buy certified South Carolina grown products. It's a matter of taste.